Well, I did it again. I forgot to even turn you on this time. It's been a few days since been about a week since I worked on it. I got all this put back in. And this relay that I've got, or this micro switch, not a relay, it works if you push it out here. But not if you put it in, because this, if you'll notice, like on this one here, that little tab right there, see right there, is longer than that tab right there, and all of them are all the ones I've got are the same. They're out of old microwaves, but everything else, numbers and all that good stuff, are the same on it. Yeah. All right. But anyway, what I got to do is unplug this one, which is no problem. I've got it unplugged, by the way, so I don't get lit up. Plug this one back in. Now the one for the water sides is good. Now, when you see somebody do this online, they take this whole system out to replace these micro switches. You don't have to do that. I mean, you can get to it right there. All right. Let me plug that in. Now I've got to plug this in order to get it to work. Let's see. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, Lord, I didn't unplug that thing. I thought I did. Now I might have got my lights turned on, because I forgot to unplug it. That would have hurt. I'll be back in a second. Okay. Now let's check and see if it works. Take it out of there. Yeah, it works, and the water works. I've got 2 filters coming in. How to do the trick. Now put this back in place. All right. Well, now you can see it. You know, I'm not even sure you can even see that. But anyway, it's working. Put this little tray back in there. That should take care of it. Be back in just a second. I want to check since the crushed ice is going to work on it. Oh yeah, it works. Now we used to have a thing that sit in here and would absorb the water. I don't know if she threw that thing away whenever we were using it or what. But she likes crushed ice. Me, personally, I don't like to use ice because I've got dentures. I've got a bad habit of crunching ice, and it makes my jaws hurt. Get the rest of that out of there so it don't make a mess when she gets home. Okay. Oh, I'll find out if she knows where that piece is at. I mean that little rubber we put down in there. But that's it. I've been out in the shop working most of it all day. I didn't take y'all with me because I'm working on a Kubota 0 turn, and it's been sitting in the field for 2 years, and it's going to take some money to get it run, even if it'll run. I mean, it had the wrong starter on it. It's got a 35 horse motor on it. It's a 56-inch cut. I think it's got a 35 horse Kohler on it. And according to the book, according to the instructions, it's supposed to have the starter with the solenoid on the side of it. But somebody has put the solenoid on it that has it's just a regular starter, and it's not strong enough to spin the motor over. It's either that or the compression release is messed up in it. I'm just not sure if the man wants to put that much in it now. I haven't checked on the price of the starter yet. I did call Kohler, and I couldn't find for sure which one it was, so I called Kohler, and they confirmed it's the one with the starter on the side of it. I mean, with a solenoid on the side of it, like a regular car starter. So I called him when I found out what one it cost, which she quoted me a price of $250 for the starter. I guess if I can get it any cheaper, and I don't know if he's going to want to pay that much for it or not. I mean, he claims he paid $800 and it's for it, and it didn't run. It's out in the middle of the field. Them people saw him coming. So, I just got another one in today. It's a little Bronco. The guy, it dropped the valve, and it must have went right straight through the piston, because it sounds like somebody shaking a box of rocks when they tries to turn it over. It even shot the plug out of it. I'll do a video on that one, taking it apart. I got to try to see. I think I've got a 17 and a half horse short block, but I got to make sure first. But anyway, I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye bye.